Hi everyone! In today's lesson, we're going to explore quantifiers like all, every, both, and more, as well as uncountable and plural nouns. This can be tricky in English, but don't worry, we'll break it down step by step with examples to make it clear. Let's dive in! Quantifiers. All, every, and most. Let's start with all, every, and most. All is used to refer to the entire group. For example, all animals need food. All of the students pass the exam. All cars need fuel to run. We can use all with a plural noun or an uncountable noun. So, you can say, all water is essential for life. All fruit contains vitamins. All music has rhythm. Every is used for individual items in a group, often with a singular verb. For example, every person in the room was silent. I work every Saturday. Every child needs love and care. Most refers to the majority of something. For instance, most people like to travel. Most of the students in the class are working hard. Most of the time, he arrives early. Remember, everybody and everything are treated as singular. For example, everybody is there. Everything is going well. Everybody enjoys a good story. No, none, any, and anyone moving on to no, none, any, and anyone. We use no plus a noun to indicate zero quantity, like there's no milk left. No food is available. No students were late to the exam. None is used in short answers or with of to refer to zero quantity. For example, do you have any sugar? No, none. None of them are coming. None of the books were interesting. Any and anyone are used to indicate it doesn't matter who or what. For example, is there anyone at home? Take any book you like. You can ask anyone for help. Both, neither, and either finally. Let's look at both, neither, and either. Both is used to refer to two things together. Both of them are my friends. Both the cat and the dog are sleeping. Both Sarah and Tom enjoy hiking. Neither is used to refer to two things when the answer is negative. Neither option is suitable. Neither of my parents likes coffee. Neither restaurant was open. Either is used to refer to one of two options. You can either take the bus or walk. Either day is fine with me. You can either write or type your answer. Uncountable and plural nouns. Now let's talk about uncountable nouns and plural nouns. Uncountable nouns. Some nouns in English are always uncountable, which means they don't have a plural form and use a singular verb. For example, the weather is nice today, not weathers. Could I have some advice on this issue? Not advices. There is a lot of traffic on the road. Her progress is remarkable. Uncountable nouns include words like furniture, information, luggage, equipment, health, and work. We don't use a or an with these nouns. Instead, we use phrases like a piece of or some, a piece of advice, some information, a piece of furniture, plural, and collective nouns. Certain nouns are always plural, even if they refer to one item. These include things like clothes, trousers, scissors, and glasses. We can say, my clothes are dirty. I need a new pair of trousers. Another example, her manners are impeccable. If a noun refers to something with two parts, like scissors or trousers, we often use a pair of scissors, a pair of jeans, another example, a pair of glasses. Finally, we have collective nouns, which refer to a group of people or things, like family, team, staff, or police. When talking about the group as a whole, we use a singular verb. My family is big. Additional example. The team is working hard. But when we're thinking about the individuals within the group, we use a plural verb. My family are all meeting today. Another example. The staff are planning their holiday.